from, for example, from F, if I wanted to go a diminished fifth up from F, then what would that be? Diminished fifth. So first of all, think a perfect fifth, and then you can alter the fifth, right? So perfect fifth means that we're just thinking in the major scale, and that's the easiest way to go. So the first part of the question is, what's the fifth note in the F scale, right? Because F is my starting point, so I'm going to make that my tonic note. F is my tonic note. What's the fifth note in the F scale? F, G, A, B, C, right? I'm not even thinking about key signature right now. I'm just getting alphabetically C. Does F have an altered C? No, it doesn't. It has a B flat, but it doesn't have an altered C. So C is my perfect fifth. Great. C is a perfect fifth, but I want a diminished fifth. So what happens to my C? Has to be flattened. So what do I call it? Let's go to the piano here. Here's my F. Go up 5 notes in the F scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to diminish that C. It's going to go down to there. What am I going to call it? Am I going to call it a B because it looks like a B? No, I'm not going to call it a B. Not if I want a diminished fifth. Because it's a fifth, it's got to keep that name, which is C. So it's got to have C in its title. So that means this note here is not going to be called a B. It's going to be called a C flat, right? F, G, A, B flat, C flat. There's my diminished fifth. If I had actually asked for an augmented fourth, then I would have F, G, A, B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect fourth. Raise that perfect fourth, B flat goes to a B. Now I've got a B. I've ended up the same note with a different interval and now a different enharmonic name, B. So if I want to call it a B, then I have to call it an augmented fourth. If I want a C flat, then I have to call it a diminished fifth, right?